Hello friends, welcome to this new video on MongoDB CRUD operations read querying part 2. So this is in continuation with previous video. So the objective was to keep the videos short, so that is why this is going to be another video where we are going to specifically discuss about relational and logical operators in MongoDB. How are we going to use them? What are those relational or logical operators? All this is we are going to discuss in this video. I will be sharing some hands-on exercises with you during this video. So I would strongly recommend you to please attempt those exercises on your own, and in case of any issue or question, please feel free to post those questions in the comment section of this video so that I can answer those questions as soon as possible. So let us start with this. So I'm not going to describe the scenario which is in continuation with previous video. If you have not watched my previous video, please watch that video and understand the scenario which we have talked about. So what are comparison operators? When we are talking about comparison operator, it is like I want to compare something is equal to something. For example, age is greater than 18 years. So this I want to apply on students collection, right? So I want to find out all the students whose age is greater than 18. Now the question which is there for you is you have to try this and find out all the students where age is greater than or equal to 18. Now the second operator which we are going to talk about is equal. So I am not looking for greater than, in fact I am looking for the equal operator where all the students whose age is exactly 18, I want to find out those students. So this is how I can find out those students using $eq, right? So let us move further. So I want to find out the students whose name match one of these or all of these given in an array. Like we can compare it like $in. This is an array of names which I want to fetch or compare against in my students collection. So all these, on the left hand column you will see all these operators which are supported by MongoDB. So what is the third question exercise which is for you? So you have to find out all the students whose name is either John or Neeraj, or based upon whatever values you have inserted in your data. Or another exercise could be you have to find out all the students whose age is either 18 or 19. Again you can use $in operator there. Now let me show you these in action. Let us switch to school database as earlier. Now let us see the collections. As you can see that there are two collections here. Let us clear this. Now I want to find out students dot find. Please note that you have to specify a JSON document. I want to find out the students whose age is greater than or equal to, let us say, 18 years. So what operators I am going to use? Again please note that this is going to be in JSON format, and please close the brackets carefully, and will find that this student has age greater than 18, which is 19, right? I can prettify it as I described in my previous video. Now the result is more beautiful. Now let us find out the students whose age is exactly 18. db.students.find JSON document start age Again JSON document starts dollar equal and 18, first square bracket close, second, and then finally main bracket close. Now here you see that this result is different. Let us again try to see. Now this is different, right? So this is how we can use the comparison operators. Let me show you another demo here. So I'm going to find out the students whose name match with any of these or all of these. So you can see that we have only one record. If I try to run db.students.find, I forget to mention pretty all the time. So you can see that I have only two records. If I run this command again and I replace John with Girish, you will see that we have found two records now. These are pretty straightforward exercises. Please attempt these exercises.